Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making homemade SpaghettiOs with mini meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are adobo all-purpose seasoning, or the seasoning of your choice, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, 2 cans of tomato soup, the 10.75 ounce cans. I have oat pastas, and also 1 pound of ground beef. The first thing we're going to do is season our ground beef, and you guys can put as much seasoning as you would like in yours. Season it the normal way you would. Put in ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to put some Italian seasoning in, and also my adobo all-purpose seasoning. Then we're going to mix it together. Once you're done seasoning your ground beef, now you want to make your mini meatballs. Next, in a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our pasta, and we're going to cook that according to the package. Now, to a heated skillet, you want to add about a half a teaspoon of olive oil, then begin to add your meatballs. After a couple minutes, you want to begin to turn them over. Once your meatballs are done cooking, you want to remove them from the pan and drain them of all excess grease and set them to the side. Okay guys, so our pasta is almost done. These take a little bit longer. They take about 15 minutes to cook. After you drained off your meatballs, return them back to your skillet. Now we're going to add both our cans of our tomato soup. We're also going to add 1 can of water in. Then you want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now for this part, I'm going to let you season your sauce the way you would like it. So I'm going to add some ground black pepper. I'm going to add some garlic powder and also some onion powder, and a little Italian seasoning. And I'm going to mix until it's well combined. If you guys need salt, you can go ahead and add that, but you want to season it to your liking. Once your pasta is done, you want to go ahead and drain it. Now you can begin to add your pasta in. Okay guys, all you wanted to do was mix it real well. I'm going to let it continue to cook for a few more minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade SpaghettiOs with mini meatballs. Guys, this tastes amazing. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.